Hey guys, today we're gonna be unboxing the Chips 2.0 from ODT. They are helmet audio, universal wireless speakers. They pretty much fit in any helmet. Not these days. On the back side of the box, you can see the 40 millimeter speakers. They're one-touch, simple commands, and they function well on low temperatures, so perfect for skiing. Let's see what's inside the box. Hey guys, so inside the box you will find the user manual, outdoor tech sticker. We have a 3.5 millimeter audio cable with microphone for your chips, and we also have your power cord. Now this power cord is very peculiar because it goes from a 3.5 entry to a USB in order to charge your chips. And very important, we have a pouch over here so you can carry your chips around, and we have a USB to 3.5 adapter. So you connect your mini USB on one side and it becomes a 3.5 so you can charge your chips just in case if you forget this one. And most importantly, you have the chips. All right, guys, so here you have them. Each chip will go on each side of your helmet with the design on the outside so you can click on them. The right one will be the one with the Yowie, so you can power off, or you just press and hold and you'll get the power off, power on. And on the other side you also have controls over here, so make sure to check your user manual. And that's pretty much it, guys. So you put this inside your helmet and start rocking your jams while you're skiing.